All right, here we go with a special Saturday edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East here with you. It is May the 26th, Memorial Day weekend rolling along. Now let's look back at Friday's numbers. It was a warm, very muggy weather day across the region. These were your final highs from yesterday afternoon. A lot of 80s for most of the Triad viewing area, and definitely warmer east of Interstate 77 as opposed to west, with a lot more clouds and showers and storms west of I-77 yesterday compared to areas further to the east. All right, during the 6 a.m. hour this morning, overcast sky at Winston-Salem State University. The temperature is 69 degrees. Dew point way up there at 68. Overcast at the dialed YMCA camera location, uptown Charlotte. A lot of cloud cover early this morning. Temperature over the airport 72 with the dew point greater than 70 there at 71 degrees. Temperatures across the region 60s and 70s. It is a mild, humid start to the day. Now this was the radar yesterday. Again, certainly west of Interstate 77. That's where you had the greatest coverage of showers and thunderstorms there through the western part of the region. Now, as we look at what's happening this morning, this is the radar early this morning, and we've been tracking this area of showers and thunderstorms working further to the northeast. Let me throw on the level 2 data here. Stand by. Let me get the right product to load for you here. Well, that's the terminal Doppler. Let me get all the radar sites. There you go. All right, so you have this area of showers and storms that's been working up into the Charlotte metro region early this morning, and we're going to continue to see the opportunity for additional showers and storms in this very, very soupy air across the region. Look at the wind here across the region early this morning. Just a broad southerly and southeasterly flow. Things are very muggy this morning. All right, so as we go through the day, look for scattered showers and thunderstorms. Here's the high resolution modeling. Southwest to northeast movement of the showers and storms today. Greatest amount of thunderstorms and areas of rain will be in the mountains. I'll go for about an 80% coverage for many mountain areas, but then for the Piedmont, Charlotte Triad zones, about a 50% coverage of those showers and thunderstorms today. A warm, humid day. There's our highs this afternoon. Now, for Sunday, for the Piedmont zones, I've been able to trend my forecast a little bit drier. I do think for the mountain areas, we're going to be looking at good chances for showers and storms. Pretty widespread up that way. But as you get away from the mountains, out into the Piedmont, the rain chances don't look that bad tomorrow. So yes, there'll be some scattered thunderstorms. But I think for big events like the Coca-Cola 600 tomorrow evening, I think we got a pretty good shot at getting that race in. I can't rule out a delay with a passing shower or storm, but it does not look like a washout, and I'm pretty confident we're going to get the race in tomorrow evening. There's your highs on Sunday, a little bit warmer in the Piedmont with fewer showers and storms. But then we have an increased amount of rain and storms for Memorial Day. Accordingly, temperatures held down a bit there for Monday. There's the European model Monday, and we continue to have good chances for some areas of rain and storms on through Tuesday and really right on through Wednesday as well of next week. All right, let's talk tropics here. We had Alberto form. They get classified officially by the National Hurricane Center as we got into the midday period of yesterday. Now, again, this does not look very healthy. In fact, if you'd press me, I would say this really doesn't even look like an organized tropical system. Doesn't look good at all. Very lopsided system. The center of circulation is actually right about here. All the deep thunderstorm activity is well off to the east of that center of circulation. Now, the track guidance on this is to the north and northwest. It looks like heading in the general direction of the central Gulf Coast as we get toward Monday or Tuesday. I'll show you the official National Hurricane Center information here as of the 5 a.m. advisory, 40 mile per hour sustained winds. And again, there's your location. Moving to the north-northeast at 7 miles per hour. The official track from the Hurricane Center brings this to the central Gulf Coast later Monday or Monday night. Really the Monday night and a Tuesday morning time period. In anticipation of that, you do have tropical storm watches up for southeastern Louisiana over toward the western Florida Panhandle region. And, of course, based on the intensity forecast and track of this, probably upgraded to tropical storm warnings over the next day or so. And just real quick to show you one particular computer model. This is the European model. It is a little slower than the recent run to the GFS with bringing this to the coast. Notice it does a little loop-de-loo there temporarily later in the holiday weekend. But again, eventually this heads to the central Gulf Coast. So if you do have holiday weekend plans really anywhere along the Gulf Coast. Certainly there's going to be increased rip currents and increased surf. You're going to have the risk of tornadic activity on the eastern side of this circulation. A lot of rain rolling in too. I don't think this is going to be a system that'll be remembered for destructive winds and storm surge, that kind of deal. But a lot of rain, and of course that ever-present tornadic threat with a landfalling tropical system. All right, look at all the moisture-rich air that rolls up into the southeast. And this is all the way to Wednesday of next week. So we're looking at good chances for rain and storms through the middle of next week, and then we trend toward fewer storms and hotter temperatures by Friday and Saturday at the end of next week. All right, that is it for the latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful holiday weekend, and God bless.